here.
Mm-hmm.
And then Trailblazer or whatever.
Need some more gloves.
Hey, whoa. We're alive, man.
Cleveland checking in. Rick Bishop.
Boomer!
Oh, y'all are doing?
We are doing live, Matt. Where you going? Come on over here. Ho! Ho! Is it chilly here in Augusta, Georgia?
We're making chili?
No! We're making soups and
It kind of
bisques.
is. It's brisk out there.
Brisk. Ooh. We got some little appetizers for the big game.
Yes.
We don't want to say the other word.
The large game.
We want to say big game.
The main event.
Hey, Ben, come on back here and get live with us.
Who do you think is going to win the main course?
The big course.
The fat entree, as they call it.
The big old
Big
game. Game of golf.
Game?
Big old game of golf.
Game of ball. Got a ball game
Yeah,
this
we got
weekend.
some football game going
Got a
on.
ball game.
Woo!
Damn, you guys are loud.
Boy, I'm fired up. You gotta be loud. Oh, just spit. Just spit a little bit. All right. I just wanted you guys. Hey, everybody. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I just
Did you hear me?
We're having a good time out here. We're not having to hide anything from anybody. We've got the whole area to work with. Got the whole area to work with now. We can show you guys everything that we've been holding back. It was so hard for me to keep my lips shut, seal my lips. So, sorry. So I'm just fired up that I can actually use these girls in front of you guys now. We got all of this stuff going on over here. All of this over here. I can do this, and y'all can see me over here, and I can go over here and work on this girl right here. All right, so just wanted to show you guys. We're going to go ahead and start it up. I'm going to go ahead and turn these girls on. I'm going to show you guys. You can see my grill at my house is right here. I can turn it on, but I'm not going to do that because my wife is there sick. So we're going to turn the bull on right now. I'm going to go to the bull. You can see the cool name I gave it. Fire, rock and roll emoji, bull RT-700. I got a little cow. I got a little bull. I got another rock and roll sign and some fire. We're going to go to that grill right now. And I'm going to turn it off. Oh my God. Oh my God. And I'm going to turn it up. I'm going to do 375 degrees. This is an outdated app. Wrong color. 375. Look at it over there. It's up 375. All right, let's go back. I got multiple grills, Jody. Does the app work for multiple grills? You gosh darn right it does, buddy. We're going to go to this Trailblazer. It's not as cool as the name. I got the fire in there, though. Trailblazer RT-340. Let's turn it on. Confirm. Yes. App. Oh, my God.
Sick.
Oh, my God. What? I'm turning the grill off from here. And I want it also to be 375. So we're going to set it at 375. It's actually 62 degrees. Is it actually 60? Matt, I can't see it from here in my eyes. Is it actually 62 degrees?
Yes.
So I'm going to... Hey, guys, I'm way over here. No, Matt, stay on it. I just want to let them know I'm way over here. And I'm going to turn it to 400 degrees real quick. Can they see me? Can they see it? 405, 410. Back, down, 2, 3, 75. From my smartphone. From my smartphone. Mind blown. It's mind blowing. If I had probes in there, it'd tell me what the probe temperatures were. I can do I can turn on some alarms. I can set I can actually turn on a graph and graph all of my temperatures. Soon you'll be able to save those, name them, and look back at cooks past and reminisce on how great that brisket took, how good it tasted, and what it took to make that brisket.
Yes. Preach.
You know, you'll be able to save it.
Preach.
You'll be able to save it for all time. It'll be on the internet forever. I mean, I can wheel this outside. Y'all stay right there. Come on, man. Help me wheel this thing outside. I'm gonna come right over there.
It can move, man. It's got wheels.
Funny, like that.
They are booking it. I mean, they are pushing that thing.
We're late for the competition. We're late for the competition. Woo! That's a workout. So yeah, guys, it's definitely an upgrade to the wheels you currently have. It's a great investment. Woo!
We found a lot of videos.
We're gonna put the appetizers on for the big game. Lane's barbecue's coming today. Adam's here. Adam just pulled up. Look at these grills. Look at these sons of guns. While they're heating up, like I said, we go ahead and put these appetizers on. I'll show you guys how to make these few. I'm gonna have one more. Lane's is gonna do their traditional spread, and we'll be back. It's gonna be a fabulous Funday Friday. And we'll be giving stuff away! We're giving stuff away!
Lane's in the house.
You like?
Always touch them on the ends and I can pick them up.
Yeah.
Guys, here's a couple of these bacon club crackers wrapped in bacon with a little bit of brown sugar on them. These things are stupid sick for your Super Bowl party. I'll show you a little bit later how to make them. Got these jalapeno poppers we're gonna put on the bull. I'm gonna dress them up a little bit with this Dirty Gurl Bloody Mary seasoning. You don't need to put much because those jalapenos are still gonna have a little pop on them. They're going on the bowl, on the cooking mat. You guys know I love the cooking mats. Everybody asks me, what are the cooking mats for? This is exactly what the cooking mats are for, guys. So we don't have to constantly, put these jalapeno peppers on one at a time. We can load up the mats when we're doing our prep. We can use them to transport. When they're done, I'm going to use them to lift up everything. So we're good to go. I want to let you guys know Ryan and Brian from Lane's Barbecue.
How's it going, guys?
They came to join us.
We got stuff back here. We got some chicken wings, some steak, some pork tenderloin, maybe a brisket.
Maybe a brisket or
Maybe a
two.
brisket.
Thank you so much for coming out. We really appreciate it. It's awesome. But yeah, guys, just wanted to show you. Here, let me show you on my phone. Since we opened the lid, the temperature's going down on that bowl. And you can see on my phone here, 281, 281, 375, 375. If I wanted to, I can jack this bad boy up to 400. On my phone, on the grill, on my phone, on the grill. But I need 375. Anytime I'm cooking any kind of bacon, I'm always 375 or below. You can see real time. Let's go back. We'll go to the Trailblazer. Sitting at 375, actual 375, set point. We're good to go. Cool. And if I wanted to, I could cut this grill off and go down to the cool down cycle and let me know when it was off. So we'll be back about 30 minutes to an hour to show you guys how we did the appetizers, to eat some food. Ray will be here, so we're cooking on the new grills. It's Funday Friday, Augusta, Georgia. Thank you guys so much.
Do you want to go church? Where my phone?
Yeah, we're about.
All right, so we got some steaks, Got a couple ribeyes. So what we did is we reverse seared them. So we slow cooked them on the 680 back there, and then now we're gonna sear them on the bullseye. We got the grill grates going. Got it about 500 degrees. So in this one we use the honey rib rub, and this we use the heifer dust and the espresso.
So excited.
Oh yeah.
Guys, we'll pull these jalapeno poppers off. And then we'll go back inside and show you guys how we did the poppers. We'll show you how we did the bacon wrapped club crackers, and we'll show you how we did our pigs in a blanket. All awesome for the big game coming up on Sunday. Super Bowl, the big game doesn't want you to say the name of the big game and or show any advertisements. Yeah, it's the Super Bowl, but they want you to call it the big game.
You just gotta pause for
It's
a
the
sec.
Super Bowl. That's a Super Bowl if I've ever seen one.
It is.
Check out the color on these guys. We used the Dirty Gurl rub.
Connecting.
Good?
Give us about 10 seconds.
All right.
Wait a few seconds.
Hopefully we got some good crust. And look at that color from that smoke too. All right.
Boom!
Hashtag group rate.
Man, I love that.
That's right. Well, yeah, you can save yours. We don't save anybody else.
Live. I think you're in good hands. What are you doing there? Live. Making some pigs in a blanket. This is good. All right, everybody, we're going to show you how we did a couple of our appetizers for the big game. I'm going to show you how to do the pigs in a blanket. First, just got some regular crescent rolls here. Pillsbury. Gonna roll them out. Take one of your little triangles. I like to stretch it out a little bit and use 2 weenies for these. Cut it in half. Little smokey. Just super simple. Roll her up. Very, very easy. Also like to sprinkle some seasoning on these before I cook them, just to give them a little bit of bite. Super simple, $3.75 for about 30 minutes. Super, super simple. All right, so we're gonna do the jalapeno peppers. Slice the jalapeno in half. Just gonna take out everything on the inside. All the seeds, everything. Got one right here. Now usually we'll wash these off, make sure we get all the seeds off of them. But we will take just a little bit of cream cheese. You don't want to put too much because it'll just fall out and you won't be able to enjoy it. The cream cheese here inside of this bad boy. Okay. Put us a little weenie right there. Put a little weenie right there. You want to make sure that you got enough bacon to wrap around it. That way it'll cook itself on there. Just wrap around bacon really, really well. This is thick cut bacon. These usually take at 375 about 30-45 minutes. You want to make sure you wrap them. When you cook them, the bacon will kind of separate and it won't be wrapped around the jalapeno anymore. So that's those little guys right there. And then I'll show you a super easy, fun way to wrap a club cracker. You want to use club crackers. Club crackers are very important, or Ritz crackers. I've seen Ritz crackers used before. But it's super simple. You guys are going to laugh at me. But we're just going to take a club cracker. You don't want to wrap it too tight because it'll actually turn the cracker into like an hourglass shape when you get done with them. And they won't look like a cracker anymore. So don't wrap them too tight. This one ain't going to be long enough. Take a club cracker. Just like that. And I always like to put it like on the cooking mat, and then I will put, you see how we have the folded piece of bacon right here? I always like to put that down. That way I know it's going to stay wrapped. And then the last step with these, you're actually just going to put a little bit of brown sugar on the outside, just like so. And I also do these at about 375 for about 20 to 30 minutes. So we'll take a little bit of our Dirty Gurl Bloody Mary rub. Sprinkle it there on top of our jalapeno popper. And then we'll take some of this Rossarooskis. You can also use Rossarooskis on these bacon wrapped club crackers. And now for these pigs in a blanket, just put a little bit on top of those pigs in a blanket. And you guys saw these coming off of the new bowl. Pigs in a blanket. Bacon wrapped club crackers. All at about 375 for about, these will take about 30 to 45 minutes. These will take about 20 to 30 minutes. And then these will take about 20 to 30 minutes as well. They got a good, sweet flavor to them. Are you kidding me? Yeah, they're a little dip. With that buttery flavor, with sweet and salty kind of play off of each other. They're really, really good. These will be gone before the game even starts. I promise you, if you guys make these, they will be gone totally before the game even starts. And you can't go wrong with crescent roll pigs in a blanket. These are all super easy to make, super simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Worry more about the game than your prep. But we'll be back live in just a little bit longer, just a little bit later, and then we'll go live with the guys at Lay's Barbecue outside. What you need, David?
They need this back.
We will list these recipes on the page later today. Paul.